what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm here with this bronze babe, Cassandra, and she is gonna be doing my makeup today, so I'm super excited. Make sure you guys go ahead and check out her Instagram. She's like the cut crease queen. She's so good, honestly. So she's gonna bless my face today and I'm super excited. So if you'd like to see, please do continue watching. finished look. It's so pretty. She did that. This is amazing. I'm so excited. Thanks for blessing me. So, how long have you been following me?
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah. I started watching on YouTube, the Guyanese tags, and I followed you when you talk about the food.
Oh yeah.
And you started to do with the makeup and.
So how long have you been doing makeup for?
A year.
1 year, and she's so talented. Anything you want to say?
So, meeting you. You're the same person that we see on Instagram. She's so down to earth. She's just amazing.
Thank you.
So friendly.
Oh, you're so sweet. I didn't pay her to say that.
You're talented.
You're talented.
You're
super happy with this entire look. I'm like ready for carnival. If you guys are going to like carnival at any point in time, fly her out because she is so good at it. Like, these looks are crazy. So go ahead and give her a follow. Her name on Instagram is @glow
by Cassandra.
Are there any underscores?
Yeah.
No.
Glow by _Cassandra.
Glow by _Cassandra. She is on my Instagram page, so I will tag her when this video goes live, and you guys will be able to find her. We will talk to you guys in another video. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe. Hit that bell button for notifications anytime I upload, and follow me and Cassandra on Instagram. Yay!